أهلا وسهلا فيكم معنا مرة تانية بقناة My Own Teacher. اليوم عنا حل التمارين تبع درس Soil Erosion and Conservation. قبل ما نبدأ ما تنسوا تعملوا سبسكرايب للقناة وتفعلوا زر الجرس ليوصلكم كل جديد. Exercise Section A. Oral Questions. Why are all agricultural activities done in topsoil? Answer. All agricultural activities are done in topsoil because it contains tiny particles of rocks, sand, humus, moisture, and air. Question 2. What is afforestation? Answer. Growing of trees on a large scale is called afforestation. Question number 3. How does overgrazing lead to soil erosion? Answer. Overgrazing makes the soil loose. This leads to soil erosion. Science quiz. Name the uppermost layer of soil. What is the name of the uppermost layer of soil? Topsoil. Excellent. Number 2. Name 2 ways to conserve soil. Yes, we have afforestation. 1. Step farming is the second way. Excellent. We have the worksheet now. Multiple choice questions. Which of the following is not a method of soil conservation? Weathering, step farming, afforestation. Not a method of soil conservation. Weathering. Yes, the correct answer is A. Number 2. A large amount of humus is present in subsoil, bedrock, topsoil. Large amount. It's in topsoil. Number 3. Removal of topsoil is called soil conservation, soil profile, soil erosion. Of course, it's soil erosion. Section B. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. Moisture, humus, makes the soil fertile. Which one is correct? Humus. Yes. Number 2. The roots of trees reach the layer called subsoil or bedrock. The roots. Subsoil. Yes. Number 3. The uppermost layer of the earth is called soil or core? Of course, soil. Number 4. The breakdown of rocks into soil is called breaking or weathering? Yes, weathering. The last one, the third layer of the soil is called subsoil or bedrock? Bedrock. We'll move to the next question. Write T for true and F for false statements. We do not depend on soil. True or false? Definitely false. We depend indirectly on soil. Number 2. Step farming reduces soil erosion. Yes, true. Of course. Number 3. Flowing water erodes soil on the river banks. Flowing water erodes soil on the river bank. Yes, it's true. We have studied this in the paragraph running water, and we said the flowing water of a river causes soil erosion along the banks. Number 4. The protection against soil erosion is called soil conservation. True or false? The protection against soil erosion is called soil conservation. Yes, true. Number 5. Floods of rivers cannot be caused by soil erosion. Floods of rivers cannot be caused by soil erosion. False. We said that soil erosion can cause floods of rivers. Identify the following pictures and name the methods used for soil conservation. What we see in the first picture? There's a boy growing, he's planting. So, the first way of soil conservation is growing plants. Number 2, what is this? Step farming. Excellent. It's a step farming. Number 3, this is an embankments along the river bank. We do embankments along the river bank. Section B, multiple choice questions. If the topsoil is removed, we will not find rocks, humus, water. If the topsoil is removed, we will find humus because it's available in the topsoil. Number 2, water and air cause soil formation, soil erosion, both of these. Yes, both of these, because soil formation happens with the help of water and air, and also soil erosion, it happens by the effect of water and air. Now, very short answer questions. What is soil erosion? The answer is the removal of fertile topsoil from a region by wind, rain or river water is called soil erosion. So it's the removal of fertile topsoil. Question 2. Name the constituent of soil. Answer. Soil is made up of gravel, sand, clay, moisture, air, minerals, microorganisms, and humus. Yes. Now we have the short answer questions. Question 1. How is soil useful for living beings? So, we need to explain how is soil useful for living beings. Humans depend indirectly on soil for their basic needs like food, clothes, medicines, water, and shelter. Correct? In page 141. Question 2. How does step farming help in soil conservation? Step farming is done by cutting steps in the hill slopes. By making these steps, it reduces the speed of water as it flows down and therefore reduces soil erosion. In page 145. Question number 3. Rina was watering the plants of her garden by using a water pipe. A gardener saw and asked her to use watering can instead of water pipe. Why did the gardener ask to use water can instead of water pipe? What value has the gardener shown? The answer for why did the gardener ask to use water can instead of water pipe? The gardener asked Rina to use water can instead of water pipe because through water pipe, strong flow of water can remove the fertile topsoil, whereas with watering can, Rina can prevent soil erosion and also save water. What value has the gardener shown? The gardener has a scientific approach. He is environment friendly and helpful person. Now we have 2 questions in the long answer questions. Question 1. How is soil formed? كيف تتكون التربة? Soil is formed through the weathering of rocks. It happens when rocks break down into tiny pieces due to repeated drying, heating, and cooling by the sun, rain, and wind. When it rains, water enters into the cracks and remains there. This water freezes, expands, exerts pressure, and breaks the rocks in cold weather. This repeated weather over thousands of years breaks the rocks into small pieces, it results in the formation of soil. Question 2. How do forests help in soil formation? Forests are large areas that contain variety of trees and other plants. Roots of trees help in binding the soil present in available space. When strong winds blows and water flows through them, the soil remains bound and does not flow with water or gets blown away with wind. Thus, it prevents soil erosion. The last part we have think and answer. We have 2 questions. Question 1. What would happen if rocks had not broken down? Answer. If rocks would not have broken into tiny pieces of soil, then there is no formation of soil. Plants could not be grown, and without plants, there would be no oxygen and no life on the earth. Question 2. How herbivores cause soil erosions? Answer. Herbivores eat plants and thus reduces the number of plants. It results in loosening of soil, which can be easily blown away by wind or flowing water. In this way, herbivores cause soil erosion. بهيك بنكون خلصنا الدرس. إذا عندكم أي أسئلة خلولنا إياها بالكومنتس. ما تنسوا تعملوا سبسكرايب للقناة وتفعلوا زر الجرس ليوصلكم كل جديد. شكرا لكم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.